Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix carx street not showing on Play Store. For example, if you search for carx street here, then here you can see no game is showing as carx street. So how you can get carx street on Play Store? So you have to watch this video completely. First, the trick is you have to click on profile. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on about. After clicking on about, you have to click on Play Store version and you have to click on update Play Store. As it is showing, Google Play Store is up to date, so you don't need to update it. After that, what you have to do is you have to open any browser you have, which may be Chrome. So you have to here search for carx street Play Store. So if you search here, then you can easily find carx street, so you have to click on that. After that, if you click on here, then here will be error, your device isn't compatible with this version. So now if you want to solve these errors, we will go for that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the Play Store and you have to disable the Play Store here. After that, you have to again open the App Store, Google Chrome, and you have to again search for the carx street. After that, you have to again click on the carx street. If you click on the carx street, then here you can easily find the option of install. So if you click on that, then carx street will be automatically downloaded to your device by simply clicking on install. So if you want to get more videos like this, you can kindly like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel.